So I bought a yard of fleece material that was super cheap because I've never done this before and I didn't want to invest a whole lot in case I screwed it up. So what you'll need, heat and bond, right here, scissors, iron. So I've marked my edges and then I'm just going to place my tape right along this line here. The fabric is inside out. So turn your fabric inside out. So I've strung my heat and bond all the way across. Now I'm going to fold the fabric back over the top. Make sure you remove your pins, and I'm going to iron it. So now I have two open ends and we need to close one of them. We still have our fabric inside out. So we're going to take a piece of the heat and bond and we're going to place it on the inside. So I just went really tight along each edge and I actually went a little over on the tape to make sure that I would have enough and just fold it over the extra. So we're going to iron that down. I want to turn it over and iron this other side. It's really good. Now we need to leave this end open to put our rice in, so we just need to turn it inside out now. I'm going to open this up and I'm going to iron this from the right side out. And just give a little reinforcement and a nice seam. And pressing the edges just a little bit apart to get a nice clean seam. I'm going to do the same with here. Make sure it's all pushed out real good and even. So there we have our sock, and now it's time to fill it with rice on the open end. So you can see the seam right here that's been ironed. and your end. Now we're going to close it. So we're filled with rice. Line your seam back up. If you don't care about your edge, you could stick a piece of tape in here and just iron it down like that, but I'm going to try to give it a more professional edge. So I'm folding the edge all the way around into the inside of the sock. And we're going to put our strip inside here, right inside here between those two folded pieces, and iron it up. This is kind of tricky. Just got to get this down flat. So in order to get this down flat, you're going to have to give yourself at least an inch or two that you don't have any rice, so you can get it flat in order to iron it. So what I did is I just shook the sock to where I just got all that rice shook down to where I have enough room to be able to iron that. Flip it over. So you're going to want to make sure that it actually sealed, and if it didn't, you need to open it up and put more of the heat and bond strip in there. I think what I'm going to do, just to give me some reassurance that this will not open up, I think I'm going to go put some hand stitches in here, since I do not have a sewing machine, just so I know that it's not going to come undone. I feel really confident about the other side of the sock, because I know I got a real good seal on there. It feels really, really good, really tight. So just depending, I might just, this feels really good too, so I may not. So just shake your rice into place. And there's the door sock. Looks great. Really great seam. I'm really pleased with this. It just has a really nice tight seam. So if you don't have a sewing machine, give it a try.